Hello and welcome back as I am setting up for May in my bullet journal. This month, my card of the month was Justice Reversed with the mantra of restore balance and clarity through facts and personal honesty. So in support of that, I am going with owls and magnolias. The magnolia blossoms are, I suppose, somewhat related. It feels right in my mind with this mantra. Also, my house is under 3 huge magnolia trees that are all in bloom right now. So I'm seeing these blossoms a lot, and it feels celebratory. So this month, because of the way the weeks fall, I can do my slightly larger boxes again, which I always enjoy having that little bit more space. And as you're seeing here for these owls, I did layer up the colors. So the very lightest shade I did there was a Tombow, and I can't seem to find the color this moment. Oh, there it is, 990. I also used Tombow 992, some Crayola Supertips, and Ohuhu 935 as well, and an artist's Loft water brush to get the layers of these owls. As you can see, before we recorded this time around, I did go through and ink things in. So after the calendar, I have my tracker and goals. I'm trying a slightly different format again. The owl is sitting on my habit tracker there for the main things that I'm either trying to understand my frequency of or moving towards a goal of. And then on the left are 2 magnolias, and those magnolias have a certain number of petals on them for different habits. After the habit tracker and goal page, I have my mental inventory and gratitude pages. I wanted to set these up with lots of space. I'm feeling the need for lots of mental inventory time. I feel like there's a lot going on in my brain. I just need to kind of get out there. Last month, the rolling weekly setup worked well for me, and I will be repeating that this month, but I do find that sometimes, because I don't have dailies, I can struggle to use pages to just jot things down messily outside of the rolling weekly. So to help myself with that, this month I am, as you can see, I'm doing my big space for mental inventory. I'm also going to cut down the edges of a few pages after my rolling weeklies. The last thing I went back in and added were spaces for tarot draws in my tracker area. So there are tarots, my little owl, and then the habits that I want to either do daily or see the frequency of. And here's the final flip through. Just me with my owls, my month at a glance with my mantra and the moons and their phases, a place for goals and my trackers, then the mental inventory and my gratitude, and go to the weeklies from there. Thanks for joining me. Blessed be.